I have seen you during this Congress to talk about digital twin. I would like to have a concrete information about digital twin, what it is, how it is impacting asset management, and then you go to maintenance and the future as you want.
Oh, you've opened up a can of worms there. Digital twins. I think there are digital twins and there are digital twins. They can start at every level in the hierarchy of assets. You know, you've got digital twins that are being developed for equipment, for machines, for systems, assemblies, and they include definitely morphological data information, which is shape, size, color, through CAD and transformations in CAD into skinning, you know, 3D visualization. And you can take that up to the enterprise level, right? And you've seen some examples here where some of the keynotes or plenaries have been referring to development of digital twins from a process level. So, but to me, it's still in infancy. We're still dabbling with it because one of the principles of Industry 4.0 is integrated services, and the other is interoperability. So if you're creating a digital twin, you're creating it because you want to use it for some purpose, usually for decision support. So ultimately, all that information is displayed on some kind of dashboard with access to that full digital twin. And I'm talking here about relatively static twins. So data is not flowing in real time using all the concepts of AI as we talk about, machine intelligence, doing automatic diagnostics, prognostics, planning, scheduling. So to me, this discussion of digital twin is just starting to happen, and you're starting to see some artifacts, and they mean different things to different people because every different type of engineering asset, whereas civil, mechanical, electrical, the approach to digitizing the artifact is quite different. The tools are different. In the construction sector, you're talking about using BIM and BIM models and BIM 7.0 models that go from whole of life cycle. And they represent the digital twin differently. So infrastructures are different to machines and equipment, right? And combining that creates an added complexity. Getting data is even more complicated because of the lack of integration, a lack of interoperability between different systems. So we're just starting this process of digital twins. Now, sure, you could have a vendor that will come with a full solution, that will propose a solution, but it's a vendor-based locked solution. Unless there's openness in the interoperability of data, that twin's going to be fairly static. It'll, you will need to, as the operator, interpret that twin, use that twin. So that's where I see it going. And certainly, when you strip Industry 4.0, there's elements of virtualization, simulations, planning, and you saw some of that being demonstrated. Yeah. They're all part of the digital twin, right? As much as the analytics, which we talk about, is part of a digital twin. So there are lots of elements in a digital twin, and I don't think you'd find a complete twin now. It's still evolving. Okay. But I'm sure in 10 years' time, you would start to see really good solutions coming through.